The shortage of ambulances during the pandemic posed a grave threat to life, and even today, getting an ambulance on time remains challenging. During the pandemic, the shortage of ambulances resulted in approximately 250 to 300 deaths daily. Are you frustrated with India's slow and inefficient emergency response system? In 2022, over 18,000 deaths were attributed to delays in emergency medical services. Shockingly, nearly 60% of ambulances in cities like Delhi and Mumbai lack the necessary equipment for critical medical emergencies. This, coupled with traffic congestion and chaotic hospital admissions, further delays access to timely care. Moreover, many are unaware of government healthcare policies, and professionals struggle to stay updated. These challenges underscore the urgent need for a comprehensive overhaul of India's emergency medical services. A revamped system could save lives and improve healthcare accessibility for all, ensuring that no one is left behind in times of medical emergencies. A user-friendly website portal for customized document hospital management in a secure manner, where we prioritize user convenience and security in our healthcare solutions. Our user-friendly website portal offers customized document and hospital management services in a secure manner. With our intuitive interface, users can effortlessly navigate through the portal to access and manage their documents with ease. Whether it's organizing medical records or streamlining hospital operations, our platform ensures efficiency and confidentiality every step of the way. Amburakshak is revolutionizing emergency medical services in India by offering a user-friendly platform for managing and booking personalized ambulance services in just 2 minutes. Its key features include personalized ambulance booking, an intuitive interface, real-time driver tracking, easy booking management, safety measures, 24/7 support, and affordable pricing. The platform's personalized ambulance booking allows users to choose from various ambulance types, ensuring that patients receive the appropriate level of care during transportation. The intuitive interface makes booking quick and easy, while real-time driver tracking provides peace of mind knowing the ambulance's location at all times. Amburakshak's easy booking management allows users to make changes or cancellations effortlessly, and its commitment to safety includes thorough driver background checks and GPS tracking. With 24/7 support and affordable pricing, Amburakshak is making emergency medical transportation more accessible and efficient than ever before. Ambulife by Ambuvians is India's first innovative embedded system for ambulances, patients, and doctors. It features a user-friendly interface and an ambulance health record (AHR) system, streamlining data collection, diagnosis, and transmission. Users can sign in, diagnose parameters, and securely transmit data to Ambuvians server. This data is accessible through a personalized dashboard for healthcare professionals, aiding in swift access to crucial information during emergencies. The system can diagnose various parameters in just 5 minutes. हर एक जिंदगी बहुत कीमती है, और अम्बुवियंस आया है उन कीमती जिंदगियों को बचाने के लिए। तैयार हो जाइए, क्योंकि अम्बुवियंस जल्द ही आपके पास होगा, हर घर, हर कॉलेज, हर जगह। आपकी जिंदगी की हिफाजत अब हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। एक नया आयाम, एक नई सोच के साथ, जहां हर कीमती जिंदगी को सुरक्षित रखा जाएगा। हर एक जिंदगी की कीमत को समझते हुए अम्बुवियंस आपके साथ है, और अम्बुरक्षक भी आपकी जिंदगी का महत्व समझता है। इसलिए हम आपके घर, कॉलेज और कैंपस में आपकी हर जरूरत के लिए आ रहे हैं। आपकी हर एक आपातकालीन और चिकित्सा जरूरत को समझकर हम आपकी सेवा में हमेशा तैयार हैं।